In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to require account creation fast and easy using your WordPress WooCommerce site. Let's dive right in and ensure your customers are creating accounts for a streamlined and secure purchasing process. First, we'll begin by logging into the WordPress dashboard. To do this, simply navigate to your website's admin URL, usually your website's address followed by /wp admin. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials to gain access to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all the aspects of your website. Next, you need to look for WooCommerce in the sidebar. It's usually located somewhere midway down, so scroll a little if needed. Click on WooCommerce. This will take you to the WooCommerce dashboard, where you can manage everything related to your online store from orders to settings. Now that you're here, the next step is to go into the settings. Look for the Settings tab and click on it. This area lets you configure the main options for your WooCommerce setup. Here, you can adjust how your store functions, manage customer settings, and more. Once you're into the settings, we want to focus on a specific tab, Accounts and Privacy. You'll find this tab among other options at the top of the settings page. Click on Accounts and Privacy to access the area where you control customer registration and checkout options. Now that you're in Accounts and Privacy, scout around for the option that says Enable Guest Checkout. This option allows users to purchase without creating an account. What we're going to do now is uncheck this option. By doing so, you require customers to create an account before they complete their purchase. This is useful for collecting customer data, which can enhance future marketing strategies and customer service experiences. While you're in this area, let's make sure to enable login during checkout. Find the option that says Enable Login during checkout and check that box. Enabling this will allow returning customers to easily log into their accounts during the checkout process, making repeat purchases smoother and quicker. Finally, make sure you scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This is a crucial step. Otherwise, all the changes you made won't be implemented. It's always a good practice to ensure you've saved your work in WordPress, as unsaved changes will be lost if you leave the page. And there you have it. You've successfully set your WooCommerce store to require account creation during checkout. This ensures a more secure and efficient shopping experience for your customers while giving you valuable customer insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.